Hello, myself. I am Dhoni Srinivas. I'm here to be give the comments on Be10x. So, firstly, I want to thankful to Be10x to gave me an opportunity to ensure all the things. So, I was zero knowledge initially. So, I was learning something from Be10x. So, some subject is there as of now to me. So I want to encourage all others also to engage in these programs. So those who are recognizing at work or they were waiting for the salary hikes or promo, so they can attend this session. So here some of the improvements and implements points Be10x were telling daily. So I was impressed by their way of teaching. So I encourage all the other persons to be part in the Be10x. Thanks for being with me, and I want to learn a lot of things. So I was learning from the scratch. So I want to become as a masters in the Be10x program. So please help me in detail. So you people were also helping me. Thanks a lot. And question and answer sessions also were there. That is going very good. Those who are having more doubts, the session were clearing their doubts. I hope all were enjoying the Be10x program. So I want to learn a lot of things in the future too, and I want to implement in the work, or else for getting new jobs or salary hikes in the present market. So I appreciate your work which were teaching us. Thanks a lot to being with us, and learning the things makes everything to be remarkable. So I want to be as a standard. So this platform helped me a lot, and I hope I'll be giving the best by learning all the things which were taught by you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate all those who are engaged in this program also. So I hope uh, in the future all will be getting and settled in the in the nice positions. So I want to thankful all to